what's going on, man? Welcome back to another video. My boy Noah back there hanging out chilling because his mother took his video game, so now he's finally getting some neighborhood playing time, you know what I'm saying? But anyway, man, welcome back to another video. It's your boy FaTkaT bringing you another one. Of course, we got my dude right here, Garage Driven, man. Make sure y'all go subscribe to his channel. Sure. We here at my crib. Finally, he made a house call. You know what I'm saying? Made a house call. But
for the best, bro. That's it.
But we here at my house, man, because really it's because I really can't drive my car like that yet. I mean, I can drive it, but I don't want to get caught up in the rain. We are in Florida, so it can literally rain at any moment. Like, you could be driving, it could be sunny, and the next thing you know, you in a torrential downpour. You know what I'm saying? So for that reason, because I don't have my cover yet, I'm not driving my car. Especially, you know, it's about a good hour and 20-minute, 30-minute drive from where we live from each other, man. So anyway, man, but if y'all see, man, my last video, we were here. He just did, oh, I still got my lights on, by the way. He just did my lights. We just changed them from the Amazon side marker lights to the Diode dynamic lights, man. So make sure y'all go check out Diode Dynamics. Big time shout out to Diode Dynamics for sending these out to me and actually Garage Driven. So yeah, so he got them also, man. So
my project. Pay attention to my project.
There you go. Y'all heard it. Y'all heard what he said. Go pay attention to his project because he got something definitely dope going on. That's basically gonna make his car one of one. You know what I'm saying? But he has the Diode Dynamics as well to go in there. And anyway, man, yeah. So enough of that. If y'all don't know, man, I still got my covers that are still coming back there, right there. Man, what is? Oh, I got my plate for my LegMaker. I don't got it yet either. Man, I got a whole bunch of stuff in here, man. Oh, obviously that cover. There's a couple things in here. Oh, and then my regular valve covers as well, that they're all supposed to be coming still from Toner Garage. Big time shout out to him, but he was having issues with getting them out to me because or not getting them out to me, but to do them because I guess the humidity is causing them to not really clear properly, to do the clear coat properly. So he's going to try to do it again this week. And if he don't do it, then he's just going to send this stuff back to me, man. At the very least, I told him to send me back my cover so I could drive my car. Like, Jesus, bro. Let me drive my car.
I gotta pull your car real quick.
What happened?
What's up with all this, man? What's all this?
It's been sitting here for 2 months.
Don't get like that. It's sitting. All right, this is driving.
Yo.
This guy been driving out on the beach, it look like.
Paul, stop calling me out, man.
Yo, man, listen.
Stop calling me out, man. Stop calling me out, man.
Come on, man. What are you doing, bro?
Because I don't open my hood.
So why are you making it pretty?
Because then I am going to clean it up to open my hood. If I don't open my hood currently, that's why I'm getting stuff pretty so I can start opening my hood. You know what I'm saying? Stop calling me out, man.
Shout out to my guy.
Yeah.
And he got the merch on, man. Make sure y'all check it out.
See that merch?
See it?
Look at that merch. You go to that merch, man. Hey, make sure y'all go check it out. That merch over at Teespring, man. Link is in the description. Hey.
Anyway, man, welcome back to another video, guys. Alright, so
as he's doing his intro, look, I'm gonna show you something else.
We're gonna be doing some
I'm gonna show you something else that he pointed out.
On FaTkaT's car.
The cobwebs on my car. Look at that. I'm telling you, man, I have not moved my car in almost 2 months, man. So anyway, so he's over there showing off what we're about to do, man. Anyway, so we just did the, like I said, we just did the side markers. We're getting ready to do the True Cold Air Intake from LegMaker, man. True Cold Air Intake. Y'all seen in my last video.
Stay tuned, man.
Pointed it out.
Get some footage of it.
He's up to get some footage of it. Up to get some footage of it. But as y'all see, man, last time I explained, for some reason, a lot of people nowadays, they call the short ram air intake a cold air intake, which, and back in my day, now I am old, I'm a dinosaur. We've been doing this shit for a minute, right? For a minute, we've been doing this. Back in my days, that was a short ram air intake.
Yep,
now,
short ram.
Which, no, nothing wrong with it. But a cold air intake is the one that goes down into the bumper. And that's what I got, man. True cold air intake that goes down into the bumper. LegMaker, carbon fiber.
He's old school just because he named it that. True cold air intake. He wanted to tell people, hey,
it's a real cold air intake.
Cold air intake and a cold air intake. So when he came up with LegMaker, he said, I'm gonna let these people know I'm old school.
I want that cold air intake.
True cold air.
So then you got, oh, where'd it go? Oh, so you got, so basically what happens is, right? So I mean, y'all will see obviously in the install, but you got the cone here. So where it's gonna go all the way down. Then you have that cone sitting right here behind the bumper, basically. You know what I'm saying? And it's gonna catch all the air coming through the bottom.
I think it's the brake ducts also. It should be.
And the brake ducts, right? So you know what I'm saying? So it'll get all that cold air. That's why they call it cold air, because it's gonna be coming from under the car and going straight to the cone. What some people do as well, man, they remove the plastic, especially in the newer cars. You know, we got a lot of plastic under there. So some people remove that plastic so it can really get air. But the problem with that is, if it rains, you're going to mess around and suck up a whole bunch of water into your motor. So we don't want to do that. So anyway, other than that, man, we getting ready to take all this stuff off, start getting prepped. I wish I would have got my throttle body in, but the dude still didn't come. I mean, this dude's still not taking orders. But I wish I would have my throttle body with everything all at the same time right now. But it is what it is, man. Piece by piece, little by little, man. We get it in. Anyway, getting ready to take all this stuff off, prep everything, and then start installing this stuff.
All right, so we're gonna start out where we're gonna remove this screw. We're gonna remove the air temperature sensor, intake temperature sensor, and just the screw right here that loosens this. Well, actually, we're gonna remove from here, from the throttle body itself, because this entire assembly is not gonna be used anymore. And then this hose right here gotta come off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now, and we'll get back with you guys. Now, that's the throttle body. This is the hose I just took off that I showed you guys. All right, so now the hose itself goes down in there. Now my question is, I think from what I believe, I think you gotta cut part of that. I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna figure it out.
I think I heard something like that too.
Yeah, we're gonna have to figure that out. So, if it does require to cut and we don't have the tools, oh shit, it's kind of hard metal, for real. It's part of the leg. That's why I guess they call it the LegMaker, because it goes through the leg of the car. So go ahead, we're gonna go ahead and try and we're gonna figure it out. See if we can do this install, because we gotta get this install done today.
Damn, man. So womp womp womp. Change your plans, man. So hey, grab the pipe that goes down.
Oh.
So yo, man. So we was gonna try to do this. And unfortunately, we're not gonna be able to, because you guys can see it. I don't know if y'all can see it there on the.
It doesn't fit though.
So right here on the what's the name? See how it says cut a notch on there, all right? Onto the body, right? Which is that right. So that right there is that right here. Hold on, let it focus a little bit. There you go.
It's this area right here.
Yeah. So that area right there. So that's.
So this wire harness got to be moved out the way, and then you got to cut.
Right.
So like a C in it. You know what I mean? Just so this can be able to pass, because once you try to put it in there,
it don't fit at all.
And you know, we're garage mechanics, you know.
And I definitely don't got. The problem is I definitely don't got no tools here at my crib.
So it sucks, man.
So unfortunately, we here, man. Can't cut that. So I'm gonna have to hit up Keith if you're watching this. I'm probably gonna be hitting you up next weekend. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so unfortunately we can't cut that. We need something to cut with, so we can edge that up. You know, have the pipe pass through. So it is a bust for today. Well, at least for the cold air intake, we did get the lights done. We want to see about the rear roof spoiler back there, but we got the lights done. But I'm not gonna be able to do that right now because we don't got nothing to cut with. And even if we could probably force it in there, but we're gonna damage it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, you don't want to damage the car.
You're gonna damage it, right?
It just, well, it wouldn't even be able to go in because it doesn't fit at all.
That's true.
Yeah, like, yo.
It's trying to put a circle in a triangle. Ain't gonna work.
Exactly, it doesn't fit at all. So there's no way to even like cut it, or not cut it, you know, well, force it in.
Yeah.
You gotta cut it.
It's literally putting a circle in a triangle, man. So, unfortunately, man, I'm not gonna be able to show you guys that today, but we do have all the parts right there, man. Again, LegMaker, True Cold Air, carbon fiber LegMaker intake, man. So we'll probably have to wait till next weekend to get that done. But it's all good though, man. Learning lessons, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. So if anybody else is getting a True Cold Air intake from LegMaker, you know what has to be done.
Yeah,
and you know you gotta cut one, and then I will show you an actual video of it being done and all that good stuff when I head over to Keith's probably the next weekend.
Let me know. I'll come through. I need that footage. I need to. I want to show people how to do that.
Yeah, word for sure.
I'll give him a hand though doing it though. So.
Yeah, for sure. So we probably gonna be able to. I'm gonna hit him up and see if he's free or not for next weekend or not, but we'll see.
Oh damn!
Yeah,
it's like dark as hell.
Because the light is coming from that way. Yeah. So unfortunately, the bust, man. We got a bust on the intake system, man. What's that? Who's that coming through? Oh,
this the one that probably be
revving up. Yeah. I think that's the dude that be revving up right there.
They look good though.
That do look nice. You got that turbo. You can hear that turbo back there. Oh, that ain't? No, that. Yeah, it's that turbo. Yeah, that turbo.
It sound good though. For a 4-cylinder, I ain't gonna lie. 4 nails it though. I ain't gonna lie. 4 nails it for a 4-cylinder, bro.
They look good though. Look nice and lowered and everything else, man. But for this video right here, man, I think that's gonna be it. So sorry, can't do nothing. Christine's still looking good though. That's all good, even though she's dirty. Literally been here for almost 2 months. But it's all good, man. So we will, like I said, bring y'all the content hopefully in about a week or so of us putting in that true cold air intake.
I want to do that shit.
Cause you haven't, you know what I'm saying? Cause most people don't do the true cold air no more. They do the short ram. You don't see it. You don't see it. Everybody want that. Everybody wants you to see that filter right there in the
right in the front.
In the front.
It looks good and all.
All right. But anyway, oh, and I would say too, those like that true cold air intake it makes like a different sound too. Y'all will hear when we put it in. Well, at least on my other cars are dead. I don't know about this one. And this will be the biggest motor that I've put it in. You know what I'm saying? 6.4 V8 if you don't know, with that 392. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, this will be the biggest motor that I put the true cold air intake in. Normally it's been like 4 bangers and like the 6. Yeah. So we'll see what happens with that. Excuse me. Anyway, man, so Paul's getting ready to put my old joint right back in.
Right back.
And we're gonna call it a day, man. Hopefully if I get my covers and all that stuff, then I'll be able to drive over to Lakeland and you know, go mess with Keith over there and see what we could do with that, man. But other than that, I guess that's it for this one. Stay tuned, man. We're gonna see if we could probably mess with the rear roof spoiler here in a little bit, and if we can, then I'll bring y'all some footage of that too, of us throwing that on. Actually, I don't even got double-sided tape, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see what we do. But
I'm prepared, man.
Unprepared, man. You the mobile mechanic. You supposed to come with everything. No. Alright, man, so we out here, man. We're gonna put that everything back together, button it back up, and then call it a day, man. So appreciate y'all for watching this video. I'm sorry that I've been MIA, man, for the last couple weeks, but like I said, I've just been kind of working on the other channel and everything else and getting everything up and running, and also you know, just regular work, man. It's been kind of busy now that everybody's starting to come back in from the telework COVID situation, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, other than that, that's it for this one, man. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all stay tuned, man. Got more content coming for y'all, man. And other than that, man, stay humble, stay blessed, stay positive, stay true to yourself, and most importantly, stay genuine, man, because anything else will be uncivilized, man. We out of here.